I'm issuing a presidential memorandum directing the Secretary of Commerce to immediately consider designating 777,000 square miles of the Pacific Ocean southwest of Hawaii as a new national marine sanctuary. That's an area larger than Alaska and Colorado put together and 3 times the size of Texas. That's no small amount of land underground. It would make it the largest ocean area on the planet with the highest level of protection. And it will help us meet our goal of protecting and conserving 30% of our oceans. Look, second thing we're doing is we're protecting the Castner Range in Texas as a national monument. It matters. This matters because when we conserve our country's natural gifts, we're not just protecting the livelihoods of people who depend on them, like the family farms, outdoor recreation, businesses, rural communities, welcoming visitors from all across the country and around the world, for that matter. We're protecting the heart and the soul of our national pride.